A high-quality dishwasher is one of the best investments that you can make for your home. It not only saves you the time and stress of washing dishes by hand, but it also helps conserve energy and water while simultaneously lowering your utility bill in the process. There are hundreds of dishwasher options available, and sifting through them to find the best one to buy is about as tedious as tackling a pile of dirty dishes. To save you time and effort, I've done the research for you to find the most reliable dishwasher models available today. Here is the 5 best dishwashers. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, Comfy Countertop Dishwasher. Since you're adding water manually in the 5L built-in water tank, you can put the countertop dishwasher in any suitable place without connecting to tap water. This mini dishwasher can also be hooked to a kitchen faucet with the included water hose. The compact dishwasher can wash 30+ items at a time while occupying a small space, ideal for apartments, small kitchens, dorms, boats, campers and RVs. Normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass washing programs, and air refresh extra drying mode meet all your daily needs. Easily removing stuck-on and dried food particles than regular programs. It also ensures thorough cleaning of baby bottles. Circulation of air refresh removes moisture and odor, keeping your plates and machine dry and fresh for a long time. The function is enabled by default and you can also inactivate the function if unnecessary. Number 2, Black Decker Countertop Dishwasher. With this incredible Black Decker portable dishwasher, you find the right wash cycle that works for you and your dishes. Normal, intensive, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid and soak. Save water and time in the kitchen cleaning by letting this stainless steel dishwasher do all the hard work. Set your wash cycle and time with ease thanks to this intuitive dishwasher LED display. Thanks to its easy-to-navigate electronic touch controls, you can see remaining cycle time and even delay start time. Hook up your must-have white dishwasher with a seamless quick connect assembly, hooking right up to the faucet. This dishwasher portable ensures you can fit up to 6 place settings at one time. Also featured is an easy-to-grip handle, which makes for easy dishwasher loading and unloading. This Black Decker commercial dishwasher fits on top of many countertops. Number 3, Comfy Countertop Dishwasher. 2-3 people, comfy compact dishwasher is suitable for dorms, RVs and apartments. This countertop dishwasher can fit up to 70 pieces of tableware, and a plate size of up to 10 inches diameter. Comfy portable dishwasher can be installed easily with accessories and simple plumbed connection steps like other full-size dishwashers. Also, this dishwasher can be connected to faucet directly. Most of the cleaning cycles, including heavy, normal, baby care, ECO, glass and speed, helped with extra drying function, deliver sparklingly cleaned and dry dishes. Heavily soiled dishes are cleaned evenly with 12 washing nozzles, accompanied with 360 degrees spiral spray wash to ensure complete washing of all the dishes from all angles. Also, high water temperature, which is up to 68 degrees Celsius, together with high water pressure, offer you the best cleaning towards the most stubborn stains. Number 4, Cosmo Dishwasher. Built-in dishwasher features ultra-quiet operation at only 51 dB with exterior sound insulating pads pre-installed. 24-inch tall tub dishwasher accommodates up to 12 place settings to wash multiple dishes at once, upper rack to accommodate large or irregular sized dishes, large capacity lower rack easily accommodates plates, bowls, and cookware. For wash cycles featuring 2 options, including heated dry, touch-enabled control panel at top of the door makes operation effortless, easy access and wipes clean, multiple filter system saves water and energy by separating soiled and clean water. Energy Star certified to help you conserve energy and pay less for utilities. Number 5, Farberware Countertop Dishwasher. The 6-place setting capacity allows you to wash a variety of dishes and includes folding down rack shelves and a cutlery basket. Features a quick connect assembly with accessories and adapters included to easily connect directly to your faucet. You'll get full-size dishwasher cleaning in a countertop-sized compact unit that offers 7 wash programs: heavy, normal, baby care, light, glass, speed 45 minutes, self-clean. This feature adds extra heat to the final rinse to enhance drying results, but can only be used with the following programs: heavy, normal, light, glass, baby care. If you need dishes cleaned quickly, the speed cycle lets you get items clean in only 45 minutes. The self-cleaning program provides an effective cleaning of the dishwasher itself.